There's a piece of jewelry so iconic, so timeless, that it's become a symbol of love, commitment, and ultimate luxury, the Cartier Love Bracelet. A simple yet masterful design, 2 rigid halves, a delicate screwdriver, and an idea that transformed the way we think about fine jewelry. But how is this symbol of everlasting love actually made? What goes on behind the scenes at Cartier's prestigious workshops to bring these bracelets to life? Today, we're stepping inside the world of haute joaillerie to explore how one of the most sought-after pieces of jewelry in the world is crafted with precision, skill, and a touch of romance. So, let's dive in. Before we get into the intricate craftsmanship, let's take a step back in time. The Love Bracelet was designed in 1969 by Aldo Cipullo, an Italian-born jewelry designer working for Cartier in New York. His vision was radical. Jewelry that wasn't just an accessory, but an expression of unbreakable love. Instead of the traditional bangles that slipped on and off the wrist, the Love Bracelet was meant to be locked onto the wearer, requiring a tiny golden screwdriver for removal. The idea? Love should be enduring, just like the bracelet. Since its debut, the Love Bracelet has adorned the wrists of the world's most fashionable, from Elizabeth Taylor and Richard Burton to today's celebrities like Rihanna and the Kardashians. But its true beauty? That comes from how it's made. Every Cartier Love Bracelet begins with a precise design process in the brand's Parisian headquarters. The goal is to maintain the timeless elegance of Cipullo's original vision while adapting to modern manufacturing techniques. Let's dive into the process. Designers create detailed sketches and 3D models to ensure every detail is perfect. The proportions of the bracelet, including the placement of the signature screw motifs, are meticulously refined. And prototypes are made using wax molds to test the bracelet's shape, size, and weight. Here's a fun fact. The original Cartier Love Bracelet design was inspired by medieval chastity belts, symbolizing commitment and exclusivity. It all starts with the finest materials. Cartier exclusively uses 18-karat gold in its love bracelets, yellow, rose, or white. And for those who want an extra touch of brilliance, some are adorned with dazzling diamonds. Diamonds, when added, are selected based on Cartier's high standards for clarity and brilliance. The gold is sourced from ethical and responsible suppliers, in line with Cartier's commitment to sustainability. It arrives at the workshops in the form of raw gold bars, untouched, unrefined, and waiting to be transformed. From here, the gold is meticulously alloyed to achieve Cartier's signature hues. Pure gold is too soft for jewelry, so expert metallurgists mix it with other elements. Copper for rose gold, palladium for white gold, ensuring that each bracelet has the perfect color, shine, and durability. Each metal is tested for purity and durability before being shaped into the bracelet. You want to know a fun fact? Cartier's rose gold formula is exclusive to the brand, giving it a unique hue that can't be replicated. Now comes the real magic. Each Love Bracelet begins as a thick gold plate, which is carefully measured and cut into its signature oval shape. Unlike circular bangles, the Love Bracelet is designed to closely hug the wrist, making the precise shape-cutting process crucial. Using high-precision lasers, artisans cut the bracelet into 2 distinct halves, ensuring that they fit seamlessly together. The iconic screw motifs, those tiny but unmistakable circles, are then carefully engraved onto the surface. But here's where the true craftsmanship shines. Each bracelet is then hand-finished by a skilled artisan. The gold is polished for hours, achieving Cartier's signature mirror-like shine. The edges are carefully smoothed to ensure a comfortable fit. If diamonds are part of the design, expert gem setters meticulously place each stone by hand, ensuring perfect symmetry and brilliance. Just like a high-end Swiss watch, each Love Bracelet is engineered with meticulous precision. The Love Bracelet's most famous feature? Its screw mechanism. Each bracelet is fitted with 2 functional screws, an innovation that sets it apart from any other jewelry design. This isn't just for decoration, it's a symbol of commitment. The screws must align perfectly with the bracelet's locking mechanism, allowing the wearer or their partner to secure it in place with a special Cartier screwdriver. Achieving this precision requires masterful engineering. Each screw thread is meticulously crafted to ensure smooth operation while maintaining a secure fit. Before leaving the workshop, every bracelet is rigorously tested. Each screw must align flawlessly. The clasp must function effortlessly. Only after passing these exacting standards is it worthy of the Cartier name. The finishing process is what gives the Cartier Love Bracelet its luxurious appearance. Once assembled, each Love Bracelet undergoes its final quality control. Expert artisans carefully inspect every detail, from the symmetry of the engravings to the perfection of the polish. Cartier's hallmark, proof of its authenticity, is then discreetly stamped onto the bracelet. It includes the Cartier logo, the metal's purity, and a unique serial number, ensuring that each piece can be traced back to its origin. After one last polish, the bracelet is carefully placed in Cartier's iconic red box, ready to be worn by someone who understands the art of true luxury. Another fun fact, every Cartier Love Bracelet comes with a unique serial number to guarantee its authenticity. More than 50 years after its creation, the Cartier Love Bracelet remains one of the most coveted pieces in the world. Its design has stood the test of time, proving that true love and true craftsmanship never go out of style. Worn by royalty, celebrities, and collectors alike, it's more than just a bracelet. It's a statement, a promise, a legacy. And now that you know how it's made, you can truly appreciate the artistry and passion behind every single piece. Now it's time to dive into some unique fun facts about Cartier Love Bracelets you may not have known. Fun fact number 1. Did you know the Cartier Love Bracelet was originally marketed as modern love handcuffs and was inspired by medieval chastity belts, symbolizing unbreakable commitment and exclusivity? The Love Bracelet was originally marketed as modern love handcuffs. Fun fact number 2. Did you know celebrities like Kylie Jenner, Rihanna, and Meghan Markle have been spotted wearing Cartier Love Bracelets, with some stars stacking multiple bracelets for a bold, luxurious look? Celebrities like Kylie Jenner, Rihanna, and Meghan Markle have been spotted wearing them. Fun fact number 3. Did you know some hospitals require love bracelets to be removed before surgery because their secure locking mechanism makes them difficult to take off in emergencies? Yes, it's true. Some hospitals do require love bracelets to be removed before surgery due to their locking mechanism. Fun fact number 4. Did you know the Cartier screwdriver that comes with the bracelet can be custom engraved with initials, dates, or special messages, making each love bracelet even more personal? The screwdriver that comes with the bracelet can be custom engraved for added personalization. Fun fact number 5. Did you know Cartier offers a diamond-paved version of the Love Bracelet that cost over $50,000, featuring rows of meticulously hand-set diamonds for the ultimate luxury piece? Cartier offers a diamond-paved version, yes, that costs over $50,000. Fun fact number 6. Did you know the Cartier Love Bracelet is one of the most Googled jewelry items globally, proving its timeless popularity and status as a must-have luxury item? The Love Bracelet is one of the most Googled jewelry items in the world. Fun fact number 7. Did you know that unlike traditional round bangles, the Cartier Love Bracelet is designed with an oval shape, ensuring it sits snugly and comfortably on the wrist? The bracelet's oval shape ensures it sits snugly on the wrist, unlike traditional round bangles. Fun fact number 8. Did you know that crafting a single Cartier Love Bracelet requires over 40 hours of meticulous craftsmanship, with expert artisans ensuring every detail is flawless? It takes over 40 hours of craftsmanship to make a single love bracelet. Fun fact number 9. Did you know when it was first introduced, the Cartier Love Bracelet was only sold to couples, reinforcing its symbolism as a commitment piece meant to be shared between lovers? The bracelet was once only sold to couples, reinforcing its romantic symbolism. And here we go with fun fact number 10. Did you know, due to their enduring popularity, vintage Cartier Love Bracelets can sell for double their original price at high-end auctions, making them a sought-after investment? Vintage Cartier Love Bracelets can and do sell for double their original price at auctions due to their enduring popularity. So, the next time you see that familiar oval shape and tiny screws on someone's wrist, remember the story behind it, the craftsmanship, the precision, the love that went into making it. Would you wear a Cartier Love Bracelet, or do you already own one? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into luxury craftsmanship, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay timeless.